person. Oh my god, it's so cold. What the fuck? Really, why is it 24 degrees in San Antonio right now? I'm suing Mother Nature. She's a bitch. I didn't ask for this. I'm so cold. Like, what is life? Oh my god. I don't want to die. I'm gonna fucking go. Oh my god. Got time to wait for this shit. Nope. Getting in my car. Turning on my heater. Ah. And I gotta pee. Yeah, it's literally so fucking cold. You guys can see me. Gotta take off my backpack. Ow. Oh my god, it's so cold. It's literally so free. Oh, it went up. It went 20 degrees up. Ah! Just literally want to cuddle in my car. Ah! Yeah, this morning it was 20 degrees. Now it's 40, but I don't believe my car. It might be colder than that. And look like a Spider-Man Mother Mary right now. I have no eyeliner on either, so me looking like a bum.